Today is Thursday, August 13th, 2020. This is our ELA lesson. We're on module 1.02. Yesterday you should have done the module and read the story Chris in the Crosswalk. That is what our quiz will be on today. We are learning the letters D, E, and F today. I want you to say that with me. D, E, F. Your turn. D, E, F. What sound does D make? Good job. D, D, D. What sound does E make? I heard lots of eh, eh, eh. Yes, that's the short vowel sound. It also makes the long vowel sound E, which is its name. E, 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 F, F. And lastly, what sound does the letter F make? Good job. You should see that Miss Town is putting her top teeth on her bottom lip and pressing air out. That is how we make the F sound. So here, these are D's. This is an uppercase or capital D. This is a lowercase d. Here is an uppercase E and a lowercase e. This is an uppercase F or capital F, and this is a lowercase f. Moving on. The sounds of D, E, and F. D, E, and F. Up here, I'm going to point to a picture and I want you to say the sound or what it is. What is this? Drum. This is a drum. Who can tell me what sound D, E, or F does drum have? It's a D, 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 dr, dr. I'm gonna just pick a few pictures. So the one that has the box on it is what I want you to tell me. What is this picture? It is an egg. Egg. What letter D, E, or F is represented here? E. Good job. Okay, I'm going to go over here. What is this picture of? It's a frog. This is a frog. Can you tell me what sound you hear out of these? D, E, or F? D, F, or what sound do you hear? Frog. Good job. The F sound. Okay, I'm going to go down here. What is this? This is a dog. What sound do you hear? D, F, D, D, D. Dog. Good job. What is this a picture of? A flower. What sound do you hear? T, F. Flower. Good job. Okay. What is this a picture of? A fly. This is a fly. What sound do you hear? D, F. Fly. Good job. What is this? This is an elephant. Do you hear D, F, or eh, eh, eh? I'm going to go to this. What is this a picture of? An eagle. Do you hear the D, E, F, or F sound? E. This is the long E sound. It's saying its name, eagle. Good job. We're going to move on to our next slide. We learned 6 important questions. We're going to go over 5 of them, the W questions. Who, what, where, when, and why. Who is the character in a story? So a person or an animal. What is what is happening or what are they doing? Where is the place? So where is their location? When is the time? So think of the time of day it is happening and why. Think why that is happening in the story. What is happening? Why would they be doing that? I'm going to read this. The boy thanked the policeman for visiting the student. Who is in this story? The boy thanked the policeman for visiting the student. Who is in the story? I heard boy. You are right. So I'm going to put boy in here. We have boy. Are there any other who's in the story? Any other characters? Policeman, good job. It also talked about the policeman. That is another who in our story. So we're going to put policeman in our, oops, it didn't have both, so I'm going to type boy because it took it out. So policeman and boy are our who in the story. What was one of the characters doing in the story? What? We have thanked, classroom, day, or visiting the students. Thanked. Thanked is our what? The boy was thanking the police officer. When? What was this? Was this daytime, nighttime? What part of the day was this? Or night? What time did it take place? The daytime. So our answer for when is day. And now let's do why. Why did the boy thank the police officer? We're visiting the student. That's the why. The boy was saying thank you to the police officer because he came and visited them. Now, lastly, where? Where did this story take place? The supermarket, the bus, the bedroom, the classroom? Where was it? Classroom. Good job. So I'm going to go ahead and look, by answering these questions, we can retell the story. There was a policeman and a boy. The boy thanked the policeman because he visited the students during the daytime in their classroom. That is important to remember. Okay, boys and girls, we have talked about this week complete and incomplete sentences. We know that a complete sentence answers 2 questions, who and what. An incomplete sentence does not have the who and the what. It has to have both, who and what. So Miss Chow, excuse me, move over here. Ben, my friend. Is this a complete or incomplete sentence? Ben, my friend, is an incomplete sentence. It is missing a word in there. It's missing is. So it says Ben, but it's not telling us that he is his friend. It has to have is. So Ben is an incomplete sentence. Okay, I'm going to go here. The red light means stop. Complete sentence or incomplete sentence? It's a complete sentence, boys and girls. Good job. I'm going to just highlight this so I can get it all over. I like to go to the library. I like to go to the library. It is a complete sentence. So how we know these two sentences are complete is it has a what or a who. So red light, that's the who. And stop is what is happening. So a red light, and what does it do? It tells us to stop. In this sentence, I is the who, and what is go to the library. I'm going to read this. Policemen and firemen. Policemen and firemen. Complete or incomplete sentence. This is an incomplete sentence, boys and girls. And why this is an incomplete sentence is because, I'll show you. It says who, right? It says policemen and firemen, but does it say what they're doing? No. So we only have the who. We're missing the what portion of that sentence. Okay, I'm going to do this one. The doctor gave me a checkup. The doctor gave me a checkup. Is that a complete sentence or incomplete sentence? It's a complete sentence. So I'm going to move it over here. The who is the doctor. The what is giving me a checkup. Okay, we have one last one. The big green dog. The big green dog. Complete or incomplete sentence? Boys and girls, it is incomplete. And why it is incomplete is because, I'll get it on here and then I'll explain why. It says who, right? The big green dog. Big and green are just adjectives describing the dog. It doesn't say what the dog is doing, like eating food, playing chase. It just says that we have a big green dog. So we're missing the what portion like we are in policemen and firemen. That's the same with here. It doesn't have the what. It has that Ben is our friend, but it's not telling us what he is as our friend. What are we doing as friends? Okay, boys and girls, that is the end of our lesson for today. Remember that there is a quiz. So if you did not read and do the module yesterday, 1.03, you need to go back and read the story Chris in the Crosswalk and go through it. And then today, take the 1.03 ELA quiz. Good luck, and I will see you later. Have a good day.